What if you tried to make $100 using AI? In just one day? No audience, no experience, no special skills, just AI tools and a simple plan. So I decided to test it. I tried making $100 with AI in a limited time. And the result was not what I expected. Let's find out what actually happened. Making money online sounds easy. Especially with AI, you see people talking about it everywhere. But the truth is, most people never even make their first $10. So instead of just watching videos, I wanted to test it myself. A real challenge, from $0 to $100. Step 1. Choosing the method. I didn't want to overcomplicate things. So I chose one simple method: AI content creation. Things like writing captions, short posts, and basic content for businesses. Why this? Because it's beginner-friendly, and doesn't require any investment. Take a moment here. The goal is not to try everything. The goal is to focus on one method. Step 2. Setting everything up. Next, I used AI tools to generate sample content. Short captions, basic posts, simple but useful. Then I prepared a basic offer. I will create content using AI for your business. No website, no complicated setup, just a clear service. Step 3. Taking action. Now came the real test. I started reaching out to people. Small businesses, pages, anyone who might need content. At first, nothing happened. No replies, no results. And honestly, this is where most people quit. Take a moment here, because this part matters the most. If you stop here, you get nothing. Step 4. First breakthrough. After sending multiple messages, I finally got a response. Someone was interested. It wasn't a big deal, but it was progress. And that's what matters. Step 5. The reality check. Now here's the truth. Did I reach $100? No, not in one day, but I did make some money. And more importantly, I proved that the method works. What I learned. Here's what this challenge taught me. Making $100 is not instant. It takes time. You need consistency. You need effort. AI makes things faster, but it doesn't replace action. What I would do next. If I had more time, I would reach out to more people, improve my offer, focus on one niche, build trust, because that's how you scale. Final thoughts. Making money with AI is real, but it's not magic. If you expect instant results, you will be disappointed, but if you stay consistent, you will see progress. Start small, stay focused, and keep going. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more real AI experiments and online income strategies. See you in the next video.